guys, I hope you had a wonderful week. Today we're going to continue working with warm and cool colors. Last week we started with painting that was with the sun and some waves, where the sun was the warm colors and the waves of the water were cool colors. Okay, so to refresh our memory a little bit, our warm colors are red, orange, and yellow, and our cool colors are violet, blue, and green. These colors are divided in that way in our color wheel because red, orange, and yellow, for example, that are considered warm colors, are the colors that represent or make us feel warmth, happiness, excitement. It can be like the sun, it can be like fire, it can be like a really sunny day, or maybe the desert, for example. And at the other end, we have the cool colors that represent the opposite of what warm colors would be. For example, I feel happy, the opposite would be I feel sad or I feel calm. Excited, calm, for example, right? Red can induce you to excitement. Blue can give you the impression of being calm, or orange can make you happy, for example, and maybe green will make you feel a bit lonely or a little bit more peaceful. And also the sun, for example, is for warm colors, and the moon would be for cool colors. So it's the opposite around in warm and cool colors. Okay, so basically that would be the representation of our color wheel, in which all these bright colors are representing our warm colors, and all the other colors like violet, blue, and green are representing our cool colors. Okay, for today we're going to have something that's I think you're going to enjoy. Today we're going to start working on a project that is we're going to start with the 4 elements of earth. That means we're going to represent fire, we're going to represent water, we're going to represent soil, and we're going to represent air. Okay guys, for today's project what we'll be needing is a white legal cardboard, in which what we're going to do is just fold it in half like this. You can see, just folding it in half right there. I'm just going to grab a cutter or blade, and I'm just going to cut this right in the middle. Be careful with your fingers. Just like that. Okay, so we're going to have 2 cardboards for our 2 projects for today. One will be for fire and the other one will be for water. Okay, we need these 2 cardboards. Then we're going to need temperas. We're going to need blue and green for cool colors. We're going to need red and yellow for warm colors. For a neutral effect, we'll need white. We're going to need also a sponge. You can cut a regular kitchen sponge from your kitchen, and you can see what size it is. It's not that big, so you can handle it just like if it be a pencil. So you can just like sponge around. It's comfortable. We're going to use half of the side for our cool colors and the other half for our warm colors. We're going to also need some water, so we can soak the sponge a little bit so it's not too dry, the temperature's not too dry. And you're going to need a palette to mix your colors, or if you don't have a palette, you can use a plate or anything that's flat surface where you can mix your colors up. So let's begin with our project. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to dip my sponge over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start just sponging all around my red like this. Now this project, you can do it how you want. It's a relaxed project, so it's your creativity. It depends on how you want to do your project, but I'm just giving an idea. So you can just play around like this at first. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab my yellow, like that, and I'm just going to start spraying it out into my orange. sorry, to my red. And I'm just gonna just play around like this. There we go. Don't mix up all the color together because then you're just gonna have orange. So the idea is for you to have different colors that you can appreciate. There you go. I like playing around with textures. It's so much fun. I'm just gonna let this sit for a while until it dries a little bit so my colors don't mix. And now I'm gonna start working on another one that I already had been working a little bit earlier that's already dry. That is my blue. I already worked here blue, green. I didn't use violet on this one, but I did use white to have a little bit of contrast with water. So what I'm going to do now is just have a little bit more of details. Now this paper is already dry, so I have a base on my color. So I'm just going to put some color on top of it and mix up more color into my water texture. So basically the design depends on you. I did a kind of like water movement of waves or something in the ocean, but you can do your creation as you want, as you wish. It depends on you. It's your art. This is just a way of expressing what would be warm and cool colors. So it's up to you what you want to do in your design for yourself. Okay, so we're back with our warm colors and our fire. Over here you can see my paint is already dry. I already used some yellow over here, and I have oranges and I have reds. So I'm just going to continue coloring or painting with my sponge, with my red, orange, and yellow part of my sponge, the one with blue. I'm just going to continue with this side over here and start completing all my my area of painting. So basically, guys, this would be what we would be representing with warm colors, that is fire, and cool colors, that is water. Okay, you can do your design as you wish. There's no limits to it, only your imagination. I hope you have fun working on it. It's a really relaxing technique, and I just can't wait to see this posted in my platform. I know you're going to do excellent jobs because you're great artists. I hope you're doing really, really well. I miss you guys so much. You don't know how much I'm missing you guys. But I know that you also are safe at home. So please take care of yourselves. I miss you one more time, and I send you hugs and kisses. Until next class,